I'm Eric Polley at ericpolley.com, and today we're going to use the smoke effect in Blender, and we're going to do it in 80 seconds, so let's rock and roll. I got Blender open. Let's create a general project. I have the default cube selected. Of course it is. It's selected by default. You can tell by that orange hue. Now let's go ahead and go up to Object, go down to Quick Effects, and create the quick smoke. That will create a object around your object, which is containing the smoke effect. Now here we can go down to the physics tab, which is a circle with a like doodly-doo around it. We can change all sorts of things here. Now, remind you, if you're using cycles, that you may want to pay a lot of attention to the resolution. It will change your render time quite a bit. Let's see what this smoke effect really looks like. Whoa, that's smoking! Alright, we got the smoke effect in Blender. Now you can make some smoky things. I'll see you on the next one.